In this tutorial you are going to learn how to change the default font in Word so that you don't have to change the font every time you create a new Word document. To now change the default font, we need to go to the Home tab and change the font style that is automatically selected when a new document is created. In my case, the default style is called Normal, so I will change this one. We can do that by right-clicking on the style and then clicking on Modify. In this new window, we can change all font attributes. We can change the design of the font, and we can also change more advanced settings like the paragraph spacing for the default style. And now comes the most important part. To make the changes permanent so that they do not reset after the current session, we need to check New Documents based on this template. And now we only need to finish the process by clicking on OK. And that's it, but before you go, please support this channel by hitting the subscribe button, liking the video, and maybe also sharing your feedback in the comments.